Hello everyone! So today I'll be showing you how to make banana muffins. This recipe will make about 6 banana muffins. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. For this recipe, you would need 2 overripe bananas, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2½ tablespoons of butter melted, 1 egg. An optional part of the recipe is ½ cup of roasted walnuts, ½ teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, sift together flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix everything together and then set aside. In a large bowl, mash the bananas. After mashing the bananas, in the same bowl, add brown sugar, egg, and melted butter. Then mix everything together. Next, fold in the flour mixture and mix until smooth. Then fold in half of the walnuts. Other half of the walnuts we sprinkled on top before baking. Next, we will scoop our mixture into the muffin pans or pots. If you're using muffin pans, add liners, but if you're using pots, add oil on the bottom and sides so they do not stick. Next, scoop in the mixture. If you are making this recipe in medium-sized pots, it will only make 5. But if you are making it in a muffin pan, then you will make about 6. After adding all the mixtures in your pot or muffin pan, then sprinkle on the remainder of the walnuts. Then bake in the preheated oven. If you are baking in a muffin pan, it will take you about 15 to 20 minutes to bake. But if you're using pots like mine, because they're larger, it will take about 20 to 25 minutes to bake. After taking the muffins out of the oven, let them cool for about 30 minutes before serving. You can enjoy this for breakfast, snack, or during tea time. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.